Well, if you have multiple, then they're X-Men, right? But then when you take away one, you have X-Man? Maybe? I don't know. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So, Wolverine regularly comes on two different stem colors. You have this yellow one here, as you can see, made in Slovenia, 4.9 patent number. And over here on this black one, we see 4.9 made in Slovenia. Now, when I talk about the patent numbers, I talk about the first two numbers that are in the patent number. So this right here, 4.9. And then there's 3.9, 3.8, 2.6, 3.4, and many, many more after 4.9. But these Wolverine PEZ dispensers, yeah, there are two versions. One on the black stem, the other on the yellow stem. So angry. And why didn't they ever make a Cyclops? I would love to have a Cyclops one. Especially one that would light up and shoot a laser beam. That would be cool. But instead we have two Wolverines, so we have X-Men. So until next time.